Home Remedies presents
Baking soda permanently removes age skin spots. Do this. Hello and welcome. If you're struggling with age spots, acne, or blackheads, the root causes often come down to three things: vitamin C deficiency, zinc deficiency, and insulin resistance. These internal imbalances can show up on your skin as pigmentation, dullness, and stubborn blemishes. Today, I'll share 3 simple, effective skin remedies using a common ingredient found in nearly every home: baking soda. These recipes are easy to prepare, affordable, and designed to support clearer, brighter skin. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Why baking soda? Baking soda has natural exfoliating and antibacterial properties. When combined with nourishing oils and vitamin-rich juices, it helps remove dead skin cells, reduce inflammation, and lighten dark spots. Recipe 1: Baking soda plus lemon juice plus olive oil. Benefits: gently exfoliates dead skin. Brightens dark spots and acne scars. Nourishes and softens skin. How to use: mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, adjust for paste-like consistency. Apply to affected areas. Leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Important: do not expose your skin to sunlight while lemon juice is on your skin. Always rinse off completely before going outside. Recipe 2: Baking soda plus orange juice plus jojoba oil. Benefits: boosts skin glow with vitamin C. Hydrates and balances skin with jojoba oil. Helps fade age spots and acne. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh orange juice. Apply to clean skin. Leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Recipe 3: Baking soda plus emu oil. Benefits: deeply nourishes and repairs skin. Reduces pigmentation and age spots. Emu oil supports skin regeneration. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of emu oil. Apply directly to age spots. Leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Usage guidelines: use any of these remedies once daily for 15 to 30 days. After 30 days, take a break for 15 to 30 days before repeating. Do not use these treatments year-round to avoid skin irritation. Consistency is key, but patience is essential. Spots take time to fade. Internal support for skin health. To enhance results, support your skin from the inside out. Daily supplements: vitamin C, 2,000 to 3,000 milligrams per day. Vitamin B complex, especially B5. Zinc, as recommended by your healthcare provider. These nutrients help repair skin, reduce inflammation, and support collagen production. Lifestyle tip: intermittent fasting. Practicing intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and accelerate skin healing. It's one of the most effective long-term strategies for preventing and reversing age-related skin issues. Healthy skin starts with healthy habits. Combine these natural remedies with proper nutrition, targeted supplements, and a balanced lifestyle, and you'll see visible improvements in your skin's clarity, tone, and resilience.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.